Munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja na munene wa DCI maugite maabitha borithi nimehotorete kwenjera kuri andu aria marerikana manyitirwo mĩgwate mari gutigirira kihoto nikioneka makiũria igooti riteanirie ciira ucio amu kwa ihinda riri matiri moko-ini ma maabitha borithi.
Not to obstruct but to make matters easier for the court. We sympathize with this application. We did not even bother to say it was oral.
Ihinda-inĩ riu minista wa ugitiri wa thĩinĩ Kipchumba Murkomen kuhitukira wakiri wake Danstan Omari augite maabitha borithi magĩrĩirwo kurekwo marute wĩra wao hatari mihingo yothe niguo kihoto kioneke na ciira ucio ni umwe wa mihinga iyo.
The Interior CS wants to raise is a question they have framed that there are omissions on their part. The police have done omissions in doing their jobs. Is this the right forum if the police fail to do what they are supposed to do? Yes. This is not the right forum. Are these people in the hands of security apparatus? The answer is no. The remedy as policy is then investigations commence. Have the police started investigations on the whereabouts of the missing people? Yes.
O wabici ya thitango cia muingi yugite o wira wao ni gutabania thitango makiũria igooti riteanirie ciira ucio amu o wira wao ni gutabania thitango. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Jenga o Abui.